coconut milk in it.
Chocolate tea, man. That's it. Yeah. The boy move on the tea, man. Everybody think about chocolate. Everybody eat chocolate. Yeah. Valentine's Day, people know you love how you deal with chocolate. Chocolate cake, chocolate ice cream, all those stuff. That's what chocolate is so important. So I love a day, party day. That's the first thing everybody move to.
So for people with bitter hearts, will this help them sweeten up a little bit?
There's not for heart, you know, this is just for drink. When you drink it, you're fat and healthy. That's why everybody go for chocolate tea. Yeah.
Get fat and healthy. It looks like little Biglet's been drinking enough chocolate tea.
You know, I get it. I always drink chocolate tea. It's 24/7 in my yard. Guess now I come and me boil me pan of chocolate tea, you know. Now guess now I come and I just do it by myself. When guests come around, I boil it all when no guests no they around, brother. And I tell you now, the hardest tea is cool, you know. Chocolate tea, the hardest tea is cool, man. 3 leaves, that's it.
Love how natural this one is. We've got straight up cocoa, fresh picked cinnamon, everything.
Cinnamon good for diabetic.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I tell you, take it off and strain it out and sweeten it and get breakfast, yeah?
Awesome.
Yeah, man. Chocolate tea blend, chocolate tea boat land, you know?
Chocolate tea blend. Open the door.
Chocolate tea land, open the door.
Oh, the door. Looking at the pot. One big size one.
Oh yeah. That's a good size one. Final step. Quick strain.
Strain it out. Yeah. Chocolate tea land. They go to chocolate tea land. And no coffee, you know. We have coffee and we have chocolate. Both two. You want chocolate, you get chocolate. You want coffee, you get coffee, you know. You want bush tea, you get bush tea, you know.
Anything you want.
Anything you want, you know.
This man can provide.
Yeah, man. I mean, they are willing and able to get it to give you, you know. Anything what you want, you know. Yeah.
So there's our leftover bits of the dry chocolate.
Chocolate trash.
Chocolate trash. So do the chickens like that, or the dogs, or what?
I don't know. I go eat it, you know, but something I go move with it, you know. Can be the hand, fuck it up, it's sweet, you know, because sugar in it, but.
Alright, ants will fuck that up. Speaking of ants fucking things up, my foot is fucked up.
I'll bite you up for that.
Dude, I got so many bites. Rough me up.
Bite you up.
I have enough reef cuts and scars from previous trips to different places, but I got lots of ant bites. That'll teach me to wear flip-flops. Actually, I should have learned that last time I was here because the same thing happened, but enough trash.
The trash. The tea then now. Ready to go. Nah, leave it in here, no, cause you want to it. Well, everybody nice in our life, you know. You know, we're not sweet in our life. Sometimes life fucked up with me. No good. But I'm not sweet important in our life, you know. I can't work. I'm gonna get good girl, and when got good girl, a bumbo clad. I have nothing. I have no sweetness in my heart to get that messy up there, so.
So if you need some sweetness in your life, though, you can just go for some chocolate tea.
Yeah. I get my girl now, I feel better in her life, I feel sweeter, you know. I make some good chocolate tea, give. But we all drink chocolate, brother. And say, yay! You feel happy now? Yes, tell me, say, of course. Life goes on, man going on. Yes, sir. If it's not today, it's tomorrow. If it's not tomorrow, it's another day. Yeah, man, life goes on. Work, you know. And the man work, you're entitled to get anything.
Isn't that the truth?
Yeah, you sit down, nothing will come to you. So the working man is entitled to get anything. And nobody, not to be a surprise. When the man time come. And this is it. Yeah, man. Every man have a day, you know. Every man have a time, you know. And I tell you, every who went stick a bush, you know. Yeah, man. Every man have a day. Every man have a day. Yeah, man. Every who went stick a bush. If it's not today, it's tomorrow. Every man have a day. Yeah, man.
And today's our day.
And today was our day. Yesterday is our day. Because we get lobster.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes. And this morning now we eat eggs and frittard. But the frittard now, me put the frittard in a pot when the oil didn't hot. So it didn't work out, but it's still vibesy. A frittard.
We're still going to eat them. We don't waste anything.
Yeah, we don't waste
here.
anything here.
Nothing in Rast's kitchen gets wasted.
So.
Yeah.
But everything legit, you know?
Yeah, man.
We have roast breadfruit, we have fried plantain, we have scrambled egg, we have fritters, we have chocolate tea. Yeah.
We have good vibes.
Yeah, we got good vibes. From all the week, from all the other time, we have always got good vibes. From the whole week, Matthew come here, we got good vibes. One day we never lucky when we go to Rio Grande. We didn't get no lobster, but we still have good fun, good come down, good swimming on the water. Everybody alright.
Good company.
Yeah, man. Good friends.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Everything legit.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So when I come to Jamaica, you know, don't say, oh, I can't check out RASTA, so it's going, you know. Whenever time is ready, you know. RASTA not going anywhere, you know. RASTA still there, you know, doing some slow farming, you know. Yeah, man. That's it. Right. Yeah, man. Blessed.
Bless.
Jah, I last year I live. And rain it every time. Ever and evermore. Yeah. Light and night salvation, who shall I fear? When the wicked rise against me, they shall fall. Yeah. Conquering lion, the tribe of Judah. I believe in God and ever faithful and ever sure. Selassie live and reign it forevermore. Call pan Jah Jah, call on Jah. Call pan Jah Jah, call pan Jah, you know. Continually, you know.
Okay, gentlemen. Tea time.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Chocolate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Mokko.
This is my
Cheers,
first
man.
chocolate tea. Definitely had hot chocolate, but this is a whole different world.
Hot chocolate.
Oh yeah.
That's wild.
It's amazing. It's
It's
rich,
so
but it's not
smooth.
sweet. It's not overly sweet.
No.
Chocolate tea, man, boy. I know, man. Where's the anybody, boy? Huh?
Come visit Mokko. Chocolate tea.
King. Bless her.
Bless.
Chocolate tea.